Little but mighty!
Honey, I have a spelling quiz coming up. You have to help me, please.
Hi, Ketchup. What is it about spelling that you find so difficult? Maybe I can help.
There are just so many letters. No matter how much time I spend trying to memorize the spelling words, I still jumble up the letters. Memorizing is so boring too. What can I do?
Learning should always be fun, Ketchup. I'm going to share 2 ways to make learning spelling less boring and more silly.
Oh, great! I like silliness.
Then you like my first tip. Make silly sentences out of your spelling word.
How?
Give me a word from your spelling list.
Fortunately.
Fortunately. Frankie reads 2 ugly notes and thinks, ew, like yuck.
That makes no sense, honey. But I think it's funny and I can remember it.
It helps you remember even better if you say it dramatically.
You mean like this? Frankie Ong reads 2 ugly notes and thinks, ew, like yuck.
Now you know how to spell fortunately.
That was fun. What is the second way, honey?
Look for patterns in your spelling words.
Patterns? How?
Let me take a look at your spelling list. Aha! It varies, occasion, occurrence. I would write these words down and circle the repeated R, S, and C.
Okay.
The remaining letters are easier to remember when you have circled and remembered the double letters.
Ooh, you are right. They are easier to remember now.
There are many ways to see patterns in words. You just have to study the words closely and be creative.
Wow, thank you for always helping me with spelling, honey. You really are the queen of the spelling bee.